Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho CRM for creating deal stages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Zoho CRM. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login option located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button. If your login details are correct, you will be taken to the Zoho CRM dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Deals module on the left sidebar. Click on the Deals module to see the existing deals. To create deal stages, locate the Settings icon at the bottom left corner. Click on the Settings icon to access customization options. In the Settings menu, find and select Customization. Under Customization, click on Module Customization. This will open the Deals customization page. Find the Deal Stages option and click on it. Here, you can add, edit, or delete deal stages as needed. To add a new stage, click on the Add Stage button. Fill in the required details like the stage name and description. Once you have entered the information, click on the Save button. Your new deal stage will now be added to the list. Repeat the process to create additional stages if necessary. When done, return to the main dashboard to see your updated deal stages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.